news.
Cats at your work.
Gardener's cats.
Winter is finally over, and spring is here. And with his arrival, the garden work period begins. Works that Zoro and Luna want to contribute to, each in his own way. However, their work as gardeners begins already in winter. Zoro and Luna, in the garage, they check the quality of the flowers to be put in the garden, and the quality of the soil for the flowers. Great controllers, real gardeners. Outdoor work begins in the garden. Dry leaves and old grass are collected, memory of the winter now gone. Controlling what humans do is a must. We move on to checking the new soil. Accurate quality control. Everything must be controlled by Zoro and Luna.
Okay, it looks like quality soil.
The hard work of gardening is over. There is one last thing to do, very important. Quality control of grass, and the voracious gourmet Luna immediately volunteers.
Curiosity, control, coexistence, play. Bottom line, we love being here with our humans. We love being Zoro and Luna.